20 common birds that are found in Bangladesh. Today, you will learn about 3 common types of birds in Bangladesh. There are tons of interesting species to observe. From tiny bee-eaters to large, colorful peacocks, there's something to catch everyone's attention. There was no possible to include every bird found in Bangladesh in this page due to the vast number of species. I made an effort to concentrate on the birds that are most frequently seen and seen instead. Number 1. Asian green bee-eater. Identifying characteristics. Adults are 16 to 18 centimeters, 6.2 to 7 in, long. Their coloring is predominantly green, with a bronze-colored cap, a black necklace, and a black stripe on the face. In addition, they have turquoise highlights on the cheeks and wing tips. Their central tail feathers are long and thin, adding about 5 centimeters, 2 in, to their overall length. In Bangladesh, look for Asian green bee-eaters in grasslands, swales, and woodlands. They can even be found in deserts because they don't require a nearby water supply to survive. This species has a peculiar knack of surviving the cold while being highly susceptible to chilly weather. They will sleep till long after daylight in groups of 200 to 300 birds, snuggling close to one another to stay warm. The Asian green bee-eater does not believe that the early bird gets the worm. Because they will raid beehives in search of food, Asian green bee-eaters can be an inconvenience to beekeepers. They will only do this, though, if beetles, their preferred meal, are in short supply. And they don't have any preferences when it comes to food. If that is all that is available, they will even consume little crabs. The Asian green bee-eater's singing is pretty and melodious, but their alarm call is anything but that. Here, pay attention to the snappy, harsh tones. Number 2. Black drongo. Identifying characteristics. Adults are 28 centimeters, 11 in, long. Its coloring is glossy black, with a gray beak and legs. It has red eyes. This species has a distinctive forked tail, but the tail feathers are rounded instead of pointed. The black drongo has a striking forked tail and is all black. They can be found in savannas, wide open spaces, farms, and even populated areas. This species hunts its primary food source, insects, with agility in the air thanks to its quick wing motions. They even perch on grazing animals so they can eat any insects the bigger animals disturb. The black drongo may be summed up in one word: aggressive. This bird in Bangladesh is one that not many other species will bother with, whether they are defending their territory, competing for dominance during mating, or hunting for food. In fact, due to its tyrannical nature, it is frequently referred to as the king crow. Because it protects them as well. Smaller birds frequently nest close to the black drongo. The smaller birds frequently provide food for the drongo's young in exchange for their protection. Babysitter to bodyguard is a fair trade. Number 3. Common kingfisher. Identifying characteristics. Adults are about 16 centimeters, 6.2 in, long with a wingspan of 25 centimeters, 10 in. This species has bright blue upperparts speckled in white, with a rufous chest and rusty cheeks. Its sharp black bill is roughly the same length as its head. You might know this colorful bird in Bangladesh as the river kingfisher. As you may guess from their name, they eat fish as part of their diet. The way they capture the fish is what makes them so fascinating, though. One eye is used for seeing in the air, and the other is used for viewing underwater. They have a third transparent eyelid for when they are underwater. Due to its binocular vision, the underwater eye is able to determine its prey's distance with incredible accuracy. They must consume 60% of their body weight in food each day, therefore they will ferociously defend a region that provides enough food. A fight may break out if another kingfisher enters the area, and the victor usually captures the losing bird's beak and holds it underwater until it drowns. Although it might sound cruel, these hungry birds need to survive. Unfortunately, the majority of young people don't live to adulthood. Before they learn to capture food, they are frequently pushed from their parents' area, and many drown after becoming entrapped in water. Most adults only live 1 year in the wild, and only 25% of adults are able to reproduce the next year. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe us for the next video.